This is it. Viejitos official channel. Alright. So we're here at the Blood In Blood Out festival for that mural. That's what this is all about. All the old cars are here. Check that out. Dude's blasting subwoofers. We got this car right here. Nice one. Our Chevy, the 39 Master Deluxe. Hold on. Let's get a better view. Sorry, this car's just hard. Cut myself, but I am good. So here's the 1939 Chevy Master Deluxe. Part of Viejitos. That one also. This one's a 1952 Chevrolet. Old school. That one's Danny's. It's nice to check the inside. Nice. Even from Carl's Jr. So here's Gabriel's car. It's a special deluxe. Don't know which year, but still, it's good. It's got working radio, the rear clocks, got the old dials that. It's got the wheel, nice cards. Hey, AK-47, I get that. Thompson, don't worry, it's fake. Not real, fake. He just makes them. On a fake prop right there. M1911 fake prop. In his car, he's lock and loaded. Well, not really. Viejito shirt. Las Vegas. Vegas chapter. Now we are gonna check out whoever this car is. There's a lot of old cars as well. Check that out. Yeah, it's a row of it. So we got sponsored here for the Blood In Blood Out mural, and that's why we came. Other stuff too, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I forgot that car. So yeah, that's pretty much it of our first ever video of Viejitos official channel. More will come out later, but for so far, we are good. And one more thing, take a look at them fog lights, bumpers. Nice. Check this car out. Nice cars, nice ones. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. See you guys later.